But yeah, when Dustin was scooping up people to play in it, he asked Em, and I think he mentioned like, oh yeah, you know, he made it a charity game for the Trevor Project, and she's like, the Trevor Project, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Guess he's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, I know you got 8 more minutes of fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
Told you. Wow. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Huh.
Exactly. Ba-boom. Whoa! Where'd you watch the fireworks from? Walmart.
Walmart. What? You heard me.
Woo!
I heard that. Unless that was a car door, I think I heard that.
Yeah.
To be fair, it probably was a car door.
I don't know. Woo! So what else do we normally do at Animal Kingdom other than that safari? Do you want to go see the Bluey thing up in Conservation Station?
Not really.
You know, like I don't give a shit about Bluey. Do you just want to ride the train?
The train?
The train that takes you up to the that takes you up to Conservation Station.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Like we could ride up there, walk up, go see we'll ride up there, we'll take Mama over to see the goats. She can go see the goats and you and me can just chill, and then we'll take a look around. We'll see if there's anything inside. Because I don't think they have the drawing class anymore, but I don't know.
Ooh. I was saying that about the fireworks.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll take a look around there. Mama can hang out with the goats. You and I can not hang out with the goats.
Yep. I'm good.
Oh shit! I was gonna say that shit fucking turned red. Oh, I think it's the villain part, or the Pirates of the Caribbean part.
We actually heard a song in the Italy Pavilion today that kind of reminded me of that. Not necessarily with the instruments, but like with the beat. It wasn't the song. It wasn't that song, but it kind of like reminded me of that.
Huh. I like the piano version.
Huh. Did not know that there was a piano version.
Yeah, there's a kid. His name is, if you look him up on YouTube, his name is Peter Buka. Buka. This kid is an absolute savant on the piano, and he lives in London or something. He lives somewhere that they have massive public transportation, and they have a big piano in like the train station, and so he'll just go there and play. And listening to him, absolutely fantastic. Like his YouTube channel has videos of him, just playing in his apartment and whatnot. He has one video of him playing an entire Miley Cyrus song, playing all the parts. So like he'll play the repeater part, and then he's got everything hooked up to a recording board. So he'll play the part of it that repeats, record, and then hit it on repeat. So it's repeating while he's playing the next part. And then that's recorded.
Huh.
And then he's playing the next. So he builds the entire song by himself. But he also has his videos that tend to go viral are the ones of him playing in public, because the viral part are the people in the background who stop, who are just absolutely flabbergasted watching him play.
I'm just waiting for the finale.
Mm-hmm.
Just like 15, 30, just literally.
I wonder if we'll be able to see. We won't be able to see. I was gonna say, I wonder if we'd be able to see Tinkerbell from here.
No.
Probably.
Sadly, no.
I do have that. I have the her full ride, because the angle I was at, you could see her almost all the way down to the roof of. Oh, I told you about where she looks like she's like shimmying down at the very end. See, it'd be funny because if I worked at this Walmart right here, I would be telling people, I'd be like, hey, right around 10 o'clock, if you look through that area right over there, you'll be able to see the Magic Kingdom fireworks.
Yeah. Shut up!
Bo-bo-bo-bo-bo. Oh, oh, oh. Now go.
What?
That's the part after like 90% of the show, the host comes back on and he's like, now go. And live, whatever the fuck it is. But he's like, now go. And I'm like, get your shit and get out. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
Get the f out.
And I'm like, haha, sucker. I'm going to stay until at least 11:30. God, I was there till 1 o'clock in the morning that one night.
Why?
Because I could be. Because they didn't kick me out. I'm like, look, if you want me gone, you're going to have to do it.
They're just like... dude.
Oh, there you go, Anna. Pretty sure that was the last one.
Nope.
And that was incorrect.
I was going to say, I doubt that. I love the little glow in the sky around it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but I just love that.